Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can get the new Steam UI on your account. So first what you're going to do is you're going to open up Steam, and then you're going to come over here on Steam, you're going to click on it and you're going to go into the settings, and then you're going to click on interface, and you'll come right here and you'll select the Steam beta update. Now it will ask you to restart Steam, and you'll click on restart now. Then it will shut Steam off and it will start updating your Steam. So just wait for it to update. It depends on your internet, and once that's done it will just open Steam up, and here is your new Steam UI. If you like it, then good, but if you don't like it and you want to go back to the default Steam UI, you'll come right here on Steam, you're going to click on settings, and then you're going to come right here in interface again, and then you're going to click on this drop down menu and you're going to select no beta chosen. Now it will ask you to restart Steam. Click on restart now. Then it will shut Steam down and it will revert the update back to the original one that you had. And once that's done, it will start Steam up again, and now your Steam UI is back to the default. So there it is guys. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next one.